the dive today is just confirmed after their confirmatory dive by the naval dive team that it's at the depth of 32 meters. And it's about 2 kilometers from Moon Reef. So the area that the unexploded ordnance has been found is not on the reef, so it's in a safe area. So the impact on marine life will be very minimal. In regards to the process that we'll go through today, they will be just utilizing a small charge to test the explosives in the mine. So the intention is to retrieve the mine. So if it doesn't explode, that shows that they can go through that process because of the dangers posed by that unexploded ordnance that has been sitting there for many years. So that's the process we go to today. The impact will only be determined if that charge actually explodes that mine. Only then can we go in and assess the impact. At the moment, we're confident we will go through this process. The intention is for minimum impact on the environment. So it's at 32 meters, 2 kilometers away from Moon Reef, about 6 kilometers from shore here. So that's the process that they will go through today. Just explain where it's sitting. You said it's a sandy area. What's the term there?
Okay, we've identified the nature of the sea bottom. It's mostly rubble and sandy, and the nearest point of land is 2.3 miles. Moon Reef is quite a distance from it. The main focus now is the UXOC. But in the process we will try and put a charge too on the boxes just to clarify all the speculation that has been going on, and hopefully we can, by the end of that serial of explosives that we're going to put in the first place, when everything is settled, we will do a resurvey.